Potatoes can be a delicious, versatile food that may be used for countless tasty recipes. From mashing them, to baking them, to slice them up and frying them, there are endless ways to enjoy the oh-so delicious spud. Potatoes can also be extremely dangerous, and you'd never know otherwise. If you are thinking of storing potatoes in your home, you need to think twice. One Russian family should have thrown them out, but it was too late for them. You should be very careful because potatoes can make you sick and can be deadly. According to the experts, potatoes that have been sitting in the home for a long time should be thrown away. And please read and remember Maria's story. This is how the story goes. Maria is an 8-year-old girl who lost her family. Her family died because of a sack of rotten potatoes that had been left in the basement. Her father went to get a potato or two, but he never came back upstairs. Maria's mother soon went to see what was keeping him, and she never came back upstairs. Maria's brother and grandmother also went to the basement to see what happened. The grandmother had called a neighbour before she went downstairs. This is very important for you to understand and remember that potatoes contain glycoalkaloids, a chemical compound that is also found in poisonous nightshade plants that makes potatoes naturally toxic under the right circumstances, not just when they're ingested, but even from simply breathing in their chemicals. The concentration of these toxins increase as they rot, and they emit a dangerous toxic gas. Exposure to this deadly compound is what killed Maria's family. Did we also mention that Maria almost died as well when she started looking for her family? But the good thing was that the gas had dissipated a little because her mother had left the door open. You should be very careful and please share this video with your friends and family.